Hi guys, it's Mo. Welcome to today's video. I'm excited to share with you a brand that is new to me. It is Dominique Cosmetics. I picked up her new Latte 2 collection. So for this collection, we have 2 lip products and an eyeshadow palette. We will be swatching everything and I'll create a couple of looks. And then of course at the end, I'll share my thoughts. So come on, let's get started. As just an everyday consumer, I can appreciate the little attention to details on this packaging. So it looks like her products are made in the USA and assembled in the Dominican Republic. And we have here a shelf life of 12 months. Let's open her up. Oh my goodness. It gets more adorable. When you open up the packaging, there's little coffee beans on the interior. How am I ever going to throw this away? How? So here is the actual palette, and it has matching artwork from the outer packaging. It is of cardboard material, and it's fairly thin. It's not too bulky. So I'm ready for the moment of truth. Let's open her up. Ooh, so pretty. So you do get this little protective plastic, and this palette does come with a mirror, and it's really sweet. There is a little quote on it, and it says, "Every day is a fresh start." Just a simple little quote like that can really change someone's day. And here are the beautiful shadows. These are nice sizes. Huh. Now the collection did include 2 lip products. We have the shade Java. The packaging on this is beautiful. Ooh. And then this is the shade Creamer. Let's go ahead and do some swatches, and then we'll create a couple of looks using the palette and the lip products. Swatches never tell the full story, but they do give an idea. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch on my arm. There's no primer, it's just my arm and finger swatches. So let's start with Cafecito. Wow. Coffee beans. Café con leche. And frothy. Let's go into blonde roast. A drizzle. Iced coffee. A frappe. Of these 3 shimmers, I want to say frappe has like the most grittiness to it, but they're all still really smooth. Let's check out strawberry milk, which if you've never had it, you're missing out. And of course, matcha. That's my favorite. I even made a video in my kitchen on a beauty channel. So, we have some very lovely swatches. What are these called again? Hydrating Lip Gloss Balm. So that kind of makes me think that they're not going to be like super opaque. But let's see. So we're starting off with Creamer. Let's put Creamer right here. Yeah. It's definitely like the name suggests, a gloss. So you're not getting a lot of pigment, but you're getting just a little bit. I like that. Sometimes you don't want a full-on lip color. You want to keep it simple. Let's see Java. I want to make sure I give you a good swatch. Okay, so they're very, very glossy. And as the name suggests, they are definitely lip glosses. All right, so you're nice and close, so we can see how these shadows apply. I'm going to go in with my usual eyeshadow primer. I use the Marc Jacobs Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. I have here a Chikahuro GSM 10. I'm going to go into Cafecito. Alright, I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to go into Café con Leche. I'm going to go into the shade Frothy. Let's do Strawberry Milk on the lid. I'm using a Sonia G soft shader. Let's see if I can build it up any. With that same brush, I'm just going to turn it around and let's deepen up my outer crease. I'm going to use Coffee Beans. Oh, there it is. Now I'm going back with that Chikahuro GSM 10 brush. I'm just going to blend. I'm going to take my finger and go into Frappe, just adding the slightest of sparkle. I'm using the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. Alright, let's try out Java. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and do another look, shall we? I'm going to go into Blonde Rose with my Chikahuro GSM 10 brush. Same brush going into Cafecito. I have a synthetic brush from MAC. This is the 248. I want to go into this shade Drizzle and apply that to my lid. This is an Esom W36. I'm gonna go into Frosty. Taking my Wayne Goss number 5, it's just a little pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into Cafecito. I'm gonna quickly do just a little baby wing. That's what I meant to say. I'm gonna do a baby wing. So lashes really pulled this look together for me, and I like. So we used Java for the last look. Let's try Creamer. I think I'm going to go in with a lip liner, and I think that'll make it a little more fun. This is Cranberry from MAC. Now that we've created 2 looks and tried both the lip products, I want to share my thoughts. Stay tuned. I had a lot of fun with this palette. I'm very happy with my purchase. I really am surprised at how much I like actually both of the colors. When I was online and I was looking to purchase, automatically I was like, oh, just grab the bundle. It's a better deal. And obviously it was. But I said, man, am I really going to get any use out of this? But I really like it. I really like it. It works. And like the name suggests, it's a gloss balm. So you're getting nice moisture without it being too sticky. So is it sticky? Not really. Is it a little sticky? Yes, a little bit. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. But these are really, really nice, and I'm so glad that I got them, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of them. I'm a gloss girl. If you've watched any of my other videos, I'm sure you'll recognize my lovely Tom Ford gloss. This is like my everyday just grab and go gloss. Now, the real star of the show is the Latte 2 palette. Firstly, I have to say I do like the packaging. I like that it's nice and simple, but yet there's a little something to it. And I love that there is quite a bit of detail on something that seems so simple. So here is what my palette looks like after using it. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this palette actually does fully turn over. And it doesn't feel forced. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break. And let me show you the seam. It's not all wrinkly, so it was meant to be folded like that. You're not like forcing it. So I like that a lot. Now looking at everything, I used pretty much all of the shadows except for two. I didn't use iced coffee or matcha. The quality of these mattes was really great. The Frappe shade, it wasn't as pigmented as I thought, but I still want to play around with it a little bit more because all I did was use my finger and tap it on the center of the lid. It did give me a little bit of fallout. This was the one shade that I found to be the one with just a little bit more texture compared to these other two shimmery kind of shades. Drizzle, that's what's on my lid now. I really, really like it. I think that if you're into these practical, everyday wearing type of colors, that you'll really enjoy it. I think you get a decent amount of product. And I can't wait to try the other Latte palette. I definitely like to know what you guys think of this little collection from Dominique Cosmetics. Have you tried this brand before? Is it a brand that you've been wanting to? Comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.